Hello and welcome to my second blog. In this video I want to talk about the Society's activities and also what I've been doing since last time. The Law Society has been talking with members and consulting on a number of government proposals. The court closures consultation had just been announced when I spoke. I asked for your input to help the Law Society represent your views in our response to the government. Thank you very much to all of you who responded. We created an interactive map. With one click, you can see how local court closures, if they go ahead, will affect you and your clients. As an information tool, the map has been a huge success, more than 14,500 views. It's been picked up by the BBC, ITV and many local papers. We would still like more input on the specific proposals because real examples are very powerful. So if you're watching from the southwest, the northeast and the eastern region, please visit the website and click on the story from the homepage. There isn't much time now. Our survey is due to close very soon, next Monday, 31st August. The government has also launched a consultation on further increases to court fees, in addition to the increases already introduced in March. We want your comments on what I can only describe as the latest assault on access to justice for individuals and businesses alike. This affects everyone. So please help us to represent and to lobby for you by completing our short survey. Again, to do so, please follow the link on the website. You may have seen some stories around solicitors' costs in clinical negligence matters. They've been picked up by the media in advance of any firm proposals from the Department of Health. We are really concerned about the direction of travel on this, so we want to be well prepared. We've been talking with members and organised a focus group of practitioners who specialise in this area. I'll update you more on this subject as the story unfolds. 3 weeks ago now, I attended the American Bar Association conference in Chicago, closely followed by the Canadian Bar Association's conference in Calgary. These are important opportunities for us not just to make clear that ours is the jurisdiction of choice, but also bringing together representatives of bars and law societies from around the world. We can share our experiences, learn from each other, and sometimes identify ways of working more closely together so as to establish and benefit from being part of the global legal community. During my time there, I experienced at first hand the immense respect and admiration which there is for our jurisdiction, for this law society. Perhaps sometimes we might lose perspective of our position, but I can assure you that England and Wales is seen as a truly world-class jurisdiction. When we speak, others really do listen. It gives us the opportunity for real influence. Exporting the rule of law has been seen as one of our country's greatest achievements, and this is a forum for us to do just that. One of the areas on which I was asked to speak was alternative business structures. For some people, this is still a controversial topic, but other societies and bars are very keen to learn from our experience, to cut through both the rhetoric and the fear of the unknown, to ascertain what the actual impact of their introduction has been, whether benefit or detriment, and how they might translate into other legal cultures. The topic of access to justice also featured prominently during both conferences. It is clear that a desire for the legal profession to provide cost-effective advice to those who may be disenfranchised is not unique to us. It presently exercises the minds of governments, of law society presidents and bar leaders around the globe. Thinking laterally about the answer in an age of continuing austerity, whilst still making the argument for proper funding to be provided or replaced, was much discussed and will be one of the key messages that I'll be taking to politicians at the party conferences next month. I'm also very interested in hearing from you. I want to hear what you have to say, whether that's on the topics I've discussed briefly here today or anything else. I am the president of your law society. Tweet me with your views and images sharing how you've been affected negatively and positively too, @LawSocPresident. I'll respond to some of those in the next video. Until the next time, thank you for watching.